Jamaica no real at all at all. No sir. Too many funny things happen on this little island. And then apart from the funny things that happen on the island, the Jamaican people tend to be some of the funniest people that you can find around the world.
Do you think it's necessary to search your partner's phone?
No, sucker, me have high blood pressure. Me don't want dead quick.
KFC need to compensate the foul them for the loss of them brother-in-law. Yes, man. That is right. Me say justice are where the foul them need overall. Where them deal with foul kind of all the post start ball.
Fun for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you married?
Do you married? What kind of English is that? Do you married?
I'm saying, do you married?
What do you mean? Do you married?
Are you
What do you mean? I don't understand that.
Are you married?
Am I married? I am.
Okay, do you over the age of 60?
Look here! 911, what's your emergency?
Help! Two girls fight over me.
Sir, that's no emergency. You're a fucking lucky guy.
You don't understand, the ugly one a win. Me ball.
Send animal control right now. Will on. See them here shine. Everything for me shine. You never get my body on your cry. Tough for me shine. Everything for me shine. Tough here. My Ganzi shine. Yasa shine. My breast shine. Everything shine. When I shake them,
Them say the first sign of COVID is no taste. See me ex a while ago and just I realized say I had it all along. Me not have no taste. Look on the man. No sir. Babes.
Clot. Yeah.
Where you are going?
Clot.
Nagasa.
Yeah.
Chat and laugh.
Go down in it.
Big last year. But lava sell me out your pussy. All don't care. Rise, dirty bum.
Bomba Clot.